Hello friends, today we are going to learn a quick and fast omelette recipe. So first of all, take one pan and add some oil inside the pan and let it be quite hot. And on the side, take one bowl, break one egg inside the bowl and then add slight chili powder. Then we will add slight salt according to our taste. Then mix it up properly inside the bowl. So let it mix. Then we will add the mixed egg inside the pan and let this wait for few minutes. Let it be hot. Wait for 1-2 minutes. We need to wait until its top liquid layer get in some heat. It will become solid. We have to wait. Then we will add some oil on the side of the omelette and then let's just wait. And we will see the flame of the gas. We will keep the flame of the gas slight on the middle level, lower level. Now we will turn the omelette on the another side. So you can see the bottom layer of the omelette is quite solid now. Then again we will add some oil on the edges of the omelette.
Golden brown.
We will wait until the omelette color becomes slight golden brown. Now you can see the omelette is ready and we will take it on a plate. So the omelette is ready now. Hope you will like this quick and fast recipe for making the omelette in minimal time. So thank you for watching and give your comments and like and also subscribe my channel. Thanks.